Shine, shine your light on me, yeah.
Hi, Nick here from Autosol Australia to show you how to use Autosol Acrylic Polish. This is a specialised product to remove fine scratches from acrylic or perspex surfaces such as helmet visors, fairings, auto lens covers, boat windshields, trophies, etc. So how do we use it? First, clean any dust or dirt from your workpiece with a damp cloth or sponge and dry it thoroughly. Then use a clean, dry polishing cloth, making sure it's free from any sand or abrasive particles. Apply a teaspoon or more of Autosol Acrylic Polish to the cloth. Covering 5 to 15 centimetres at a time, rub the polish over the workpiece in a circular motion. Finish by wiping away the paste with a second clean and dry polishing cloth until you see the shine come up. If necessary, repeat the process a couple of times for better results. In cases where the scratches are more than surface deep, they will be reduced but may not be totally removed. And that's it. Thanks for watching and shine on!